Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we dive into all things home improvement and DIY. Today we're tackling a common but often overlooked aspect of home maintenance: weather stripping replacement for your garage door. Stick around to find out how this simple fix can keep the elements out and significantly improve your home's insulation. First things first, let's talk about what weather stripping is and why it's so important. Weather stripping is that rubber or foam strip you see along the bottom and sides of your garage door. Its main job? To keep out rain, snow, wind, and even little critters, while also helping to maintain your garage's temperature by improving insulation. So, how do you know when it's time to replace your weather stripping? There are a few telltale signs. Visible damage or wear and tear, like cracks or sections that are missing, feeling drafts or seeing water seeping in despite the garage door being closed, and an increase in outside noise or pests making their way into your garage. Replacing old or damaged weather stripping comes with a host of benefits. Not only will it enhance your garage's defense against the weather, but it can also save you money on energy bills by improving insulation, protect your garage and home from water damage and pests, and keep your garage more comfortable year-round. If you're feeling handy, replacing weather stripping can be a great weekend project. Just make sure to choose the right type of stripping for your garage door. Measure twice and cut once to ensure a perfect fit, and clean the area thoroughly before installation for the best adhesion. But if DIY isn't your thing or you want to ensure it's done right, we've got you covered. Give us a call at 1-866-992-1816 to speak with one of our experienced garage door repair and installation technicians. They're ready to help with all your weather stripping needs and more, ensuring your garage is sealed tight against whatever Mother Nature throws your way. So don't let worn-out weather stripping put a damper on your home's comfort and efficiency. A simple replacement can make a world of difference. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more home improvement tips and tricks. See you in the next one.